guys, Rog here, welcome back to my kitchen. Well, it's freezing outside, so I thought I'd make a really wintry type of soup. It's minestrone with macaroni, really tasty. Actually, it's like a whole meal in a bowl. So, let me show you how I do it. And don't forget, please subscribe to my channel. Little button's only sneaky down there. So we start with a heavy base saucepan on the hob, medium heat. In there we go with about an ounce of butter and a hefty amount of cooking oil. Then we can pop in 2 ounces of back bacon that's been chopped up quite finely like this, little tiny squares. In that goes, and we're going to just leave this in there just to soften, really, not to cook completely. When that's ready, we can go in with our onion. 1 medium white onion, finely chopped as well. In fact, in this recipe, all the ingredients, all the vegetables are finely chopped. Next we're going to go in with carrots. I've used 2 medium-sized carrots, and celery, 2 sticks of celery, we're going to give this a little mix around just to get that buttery taste all over them and so they can sweat down a bit. We leave these for 2 or 3 minutes, then we can add a crushed garlic. Not as easy as it looks, really isn't. So we take a knife to it, scrape it off the end of the little crusher there, and we don't want to waste all that that's got trapped inside either, do we? So out that comes into the pan. Give this another swish around. Then we go in with a whole can of chopped tomatoes. In they go, they look gorgeous, don't they? And I always swish out the can with a little drop of water. Then we can add not 1 pint of stock, but 2 pints of chicken stock. And 1 chopped leek. Now this was a really big leek, guys. I mean, you know, if you've got smaller ones, put 2 in. This actually went on 2 plates. There we go, half a teaspoon of basil, bit of seasoning, some of that gorgeous freshly cracked black pepper. In that goes, followed by some freshly cracked sea salt. Actually, it was already cracked. It's just getting cracked a bit more. In that goes, nice bit of flavouring. Give this a mix around. In with some shredded cabbage, 6 ounces, that's enough. Then I like to add about 3 tablespoons full of tomato paste or tomato puree. I find this gives this soup a real depth of flavour. Then we give it a final stir, duck all that cabbage underneath so all the flavours mix, on with the lid, and we're going to cook this down for about 45 minutes. Then remove the lid. Then we're going to put in about 2 ounces of this macaroni. Made in Italy, don't you know? So in that goes, about a cupful, that should do. It's completely up to you how much you use. Give this another 15 minutes and then this is what you've got. I'm going to serve up 1 really delicious bowlful, and of course take a hefty spoonful and have a lovely taste test. So delicious. It's actually a meal in a bowl. It's got bacon, fresh vegetables, tastes delicious. What more could you ask for on a cold and wintry day? Thanks for watching this latest video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I've got hundreds of videos. I'm sure there's one out there that you would like. And what more can I say? See you next time. Bye.